Look, it's the letter B. This bouncy ball starts with the letter B. Butterfly and bear both start with B too. Like in ball, try it with me. Let's dance with B. Ba, ba, B. Great job, you learned the letter B.